Hello and welcome to Tech. I'm Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to create the Dataverse database. If you are going to use Microsoft Power Apps or Power Automate, you need a Dataverse database. Most of the people is not aware of how to create that. In this video we'll discuss about this. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. If you want to know how to create the environment and Dataverse database into Power Platform, then you have to go to admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. Once you enter that, it will open up this home screen and it has selected by default the environments here. And inside to that, you will get what are the environments you have. Right now here, I logged into my account, that is Power BI at like18.com. And then on the top left, you have this new. If you want to create a new environment and new database, you can click here, new, and here you can give it a name here, like YouTube trial. And here you have an option like sandbox. Choose production type if you are ready to deploy. If you are still testing, choose trial for free but temporary environment. Let's more about environment. So this is, you have an option sandbox, production or trial. So if you want to trial something, it will get you 30 days of trial version. After that, the environment itself will remove from this. You can't able to access any of those whatever you have developed so far. So if you want to go for protection, then you have to buy a separate license for that. And sandbox is a separate thing which you can extract it from your environment. So the trial, I'm selecting it now, and the region you can select based on the region. You have better to select the local region. So India by default it has selected. If I click here, it has many other regions as well. You can select of your own. And the purpose, if you want to do it here, you can also give the purpose here. And the next here is create a database for this environment. You can create a database and build apps by using Dataverse as a data store. So if you want to add a new data source here, you can click yes and then click next. And then it will ask you for this one, default language for this one is English. It has multiple languages. If you want, you can select it here. And then URL. If you don't want enter domain name, we will pick it for you. If you have separate domain name, you can use it here. If you don't, then they will assign it for you as well. So currency is INR and enable 365 apps. In addition to Power Apps, so if you want to add enable 365 apps, you can also add it. But currently it's not allowing me here because can only be enabled for production environment. So I'm taking as a trial now, so it is not enabled for me. And then deploy sample apps and data. If you want to deploy, you can click here. And then security group, restrict environment access to people in the security group, otherwise everyone can access. So not a problem. I can just click on save. So now I got a message. You have reached the limit of one trial environment. Create a production environment to continue. The environment consuming quota are. So what is saying? I have already one trial account. Let's cancel this. I have already one trial account running it here. That's for 27 days is left here. So it's not allowing me to create more than one trial account. So the logic is once you do that, it will open up like this one. If you want to go inside to this one of the type flow, which I was created 2 days back. So this is the environment URL assigned by Power Apps itself, and this region is there, trial environment ID, and state, refresh, frequent, security, everything is show up here. And the database here is the version of database. These are you can able to create the database for Power Platform. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. If you're not yet a member of our channel, just hit the join button to know in detail about it. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.